I went Aldi to check special buys for this. First thing I saw was mixed seasonal bedding plants outside, which are so good and fresh for just £1.99 for 6 of them. There was rhododendron for just 8.99, which seems to be so good. There are really finds at special buys this week. Bike accessories, kids' knee pads, helmets. If you love cycling this sunny and warm weather this weekend, loads of affordable planters, good solar lighting, and all the essentials to get your garden ready for summer at properly low prices. This week, Aldi is running Baby and Toddlers Event, so there is plenty of really affordable Discovers special buys, which cannot be missed if you have baby or toddlers. There is something very special to make your babies or toddlers happy. These rhododendron plants look much healthier, and £8.99 is a really good price, so I've picked a couple of them. This cordless Ambiano Cyclonic stick vacuum cleaner is very budget friendly for just £39.99. Do you think these would be as good as other famous branded one? Let me know if any one of you have used these. Another must-picked special buys is this foldable hand truck, which cost just under £25. This cookware for £9.99 looks nice and strong. It comes with lid, which I think is really cool. These pack of berry keeper pots can be used for multiple purposes. I have picked one of this as it is just £3.99. There are plenty of different solar lights with very impressive. They have a large solar panel, a rechargeable battery, and they are weather resistant with around 8 hours of light in the evening. They're really great for lighting pathways or highlighting plants. They also had these solar crackle stake lights. They come in a few different colors and they actually felt really sturdy. If you want a SDD, a splash of fun and colour to your outdoor space. These are perfect for gardens, pots and patios to brighten up your evenings. It can create dramatic impact in any garden or outside space, lining pathways and borders. These lights cost from £7.99 to £9.99, which again are very budget friendly. They had these teacups or watering can planters, which were £9.99. They say they're suitable for indoor and outdoor use, UV frost and weather resistant. Let me know, would you go for something like this, or which one do you prefer more? These 3-piece breakfast sets are really cool as well. They were plenty of different colours and characters. These newbie ice lolly moulds are just £6.99 for 6 of those in a pack. Also, there are varieties of weaning and teething accessories which are really budget friendly. I think all families with babies must have these easy to go items. These 80 by 70 centimetre 100% polyester baby blankets are cosy and comfortable, providing the perfect warmth to keep your little ones snug and content. They are available with different characters to choose from. These baby bath accessories are designed with the safety of your baby in mind. Ensure bath time is enjoyable for your little one. There are different colours to choose and just £16.99. I think these plush are perfect for your children's rooms or nursery. These books are perfect for interacting, learning new sounds, and engage in imaginative play with this book. As weather are getting warm, if you are planning for barbecues, these 5 kilograms of charcoals are £4.99. Also, there were few bulk items of gardening, including compost, greenhouses, benches, storage box inside the Aldi I have visited this afternoon. So, do you think it worth visit Aldi for special buys this week? Let me know if you saw anything you like this week. If you are new to channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.